Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing a natural press. Now, I call all my silk presses natural presses because I feel like that's what I do. But this particular client likes, I shall say, a soft press. Like, she does not want a press and comb use. She does not want to like bone straight. So it's technically a soft press or a regular flat iron. To me, they all the same. Like, at this point, your technique should not be different. Anywho, what I'm doing now is I'm sectioning her hair off and putting her under the dryer just to kind of stretch the roots a little bit because she does have so much hair. I've done this technique before. I don't really know if it makes a difference. I feel like I can blow dry the roots straight enough where I don't have to use this technique, but it is a good technique to use. I guess for some. Anywho, yeah, I'm just doing the same blow dry method I always do, which is the tension method. That's what I call it, where you kind of stretch the hair out and blow dry and then go with the paddle brush and blow dry it. Whenever I'm doing a press, I prefer to use a brush versus the blow dryer with the pick. I feel like I have more control with the brush, it's faster with the brush, and I can get the hair straighter with the brush. And because I'm just used to it, I use a paddle brush. There's a billion brushes people use. A lot of people like Denman brushes with natural hair, but I do not like how it feels in my hand. To me, it's just too small. I don't have as much control, so I prefer a paddle brush. And I did not record the shampoo, but the products I use are the same. The products I'll try to put them on the screen, but the products I use for my shampooing and conditioning when doing a press is this product known as, actually I don't know the name of the product, but I know the company is 1212. I think the actual product name is something else, but that is my favorite product to use when doing a press. Like, I can see the difference in the hair. It's lighter, it's fluffier. I just love it. And then I use Mizani Miracle Milk 25 leave-in conditioner. I use a heat protectant by Kenra. I also use a little bit of Silk Essentials by Design Essentials. Literally, when I say a little bit, I mean for the thickest of hair I may use a nickel size, but for the most part a dime size. And then I always finish it with which I think is a heat protectant spray too, but it also has UV protection spray by Janae Mickles. I don't know if she still has that product, but I'm gonna put everything on the screen. And I'm just going in with my 1 1/4 inch, I believe, Babyliss titanium irons. I don't remember the name of these. I hardly use these ones, but I use them because she has extremely long and thick hair. I don't know if y'all can tell, but she has extremely thick hair. Not the longest hair I've done, but definitely the thickest hair. Like, this whole process took me over 2 hours, and that's just mainly because she has extremely thick hair. Now, one thing I'm sad about is this client never ever gets a trim, and this time she was like, you can go ahead and cut it. Child, I done went ahead and cut that hair, and then right there you see I'm getting my shears together, and then I go back and look at the footage and it's not there. It was not recording this whole time, and I'm very sad about that. And I was telling her right here, like, I did not get any of that on camera. But anywho, that is it. This is the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYO. And also, if you are in Houston, my booking link is below.